What's the best way to take digital notes during online lectures or meetings? Are you wondering how to take digital notes effectively during online lectures or meetings? You are not alone. Many students and professionals seek ways to improve their note-taking skills in this digital age. Let's break down some practical strategies and tools that can help you stay organized and retain information better. First, selecting the right tool is essential. There are numerous digital note-taking applications available. Some popular choices include Microsoft OneNote, Evernote, Google Keep, and Google Docs. Microsoft OneNote stands out for its flexibility. It allows you to create different tabs and pages, making it easy to manage notes for various subjects or meetings. Next, organization is key. Create separate notebooks or tabs for each subject or meeting. Within each notebook, set up individual pages for each session. This structure keeps your notes tidy and easy to find later. Utilizing templates and tags can also enhance your note-taking process. Many digital tools offer templates that help you format your notes effectively. Tags or keywords can be added to categorize your notes, making it simpler to search for specific information later. Recording audio or video during lectures can be a game changer. Tools like Microsoft OneNote allow you to capture audio or video alongside your notes. This feature is particularly helpful when you want to revisit parts of a lecture that you might have missed. Engaging actively with the content is another important aspect. Summarize key points in your own words, ask questions, and connect different pieces of information. This active engagement helps you remember the material better. Lastly, take time to review and reflect it after each session. Spend a few minutes going over your notes. Think about what you have learned and identify any areas where you need more clarity. This practice reinforces your learning and prepares you for future sessions. By following these strategies and utilizing the right digital tools, you can significantly improve your note-taking skills during online lectures and meetings. With a little practice, you will find a method that works best for you, making your study sessions more effective and enjoyable.